water bank, and there's more, the Libra area.
Wow.
Next will be the Libra area.
Wow.
Ali.
This is cool.
Raya.
Only lang ka dito sa group. We always go to the zoo almost every other week. Ali memorized all the animals. Ali could do you know her dream job is a zookeeper.
Wow.
Like
Animal.
Yeah.
Rights. Animal human rights.
yeah. Woo! That's million pesos. Million. No, they have to fly it from Africa. They travel it by plane.
To travel in Africa. You say, where did you came from? Philippines and Africa.
Oh, I like it. You know, I experienced this in, you know, those like, how do you call those rides? You know the rides that you just sit there and you think you're riding, like the 3D ride. The 3D ride. You
3D
it's
ride?
like this, yeah. But you're just sitting there, but you know,
This is real.
this is real, yeah. Yeah. Oh no. Grabe. Oo.
T-Red again.
What is this?
So that one T-Red is called the wildebeest.
Wildebeest.
Yes.